Yo, what's up everybody, it's Logic, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have you all here today because we've got something really special lined up. Whether you're a regular or a first-time viewer, you're in for a treat. We're all about growth, hustle, and making smart moves, and today is no different. Now I know a lot of you are out there in Ghana looking for ways to level up, to hustle, to make that money work for you. The energy in this country is electric and the entrepreneurial spirit is alive and kicking. Whether you're in Accra, Kumasi, or any other part of this beautiful nation, the opportunities are endless. And you know what? The internet is where it's at. It's the great equalizer, giving everyone a chance to shine. From e-commerce to digital marketing, from freelancing to content creation, the online world is brimming with possibilities. You can start a business, grow your brand, or even find remote work that pays in dollars. We're talking serious potential, serious opportunities, and today, we're breaking down the top 10 ways you can tap into that in 2025. Imagine turning your passion into profit, your skills into a thriving business. It's not just a dream, it's a reality waiting to happen. And the best part? You don't need a huge investment to get started. We're diving deep, giving you the insights you need, so buckle up, because this is going to be good. Let's get started. Grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to take your hustle to the next level. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these amazing opportunities. Alright, first up, we're talking e-commerce. Now you already know the game. Jumia, Tonatton, these platforms are blowing up in Ghana. But here's the thing, it's not just about buying and selling anymore. It's about building a brand. Think about it. What are people in Ghana looking for? What problems can you solve? Maybe you're sourcing unique crafts. Maybe you're connecting local farmers with customers online. Find your niche, build that trust, and watch your online empire grow. Next up, we're jumping into the world of YouTube. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way we share stories, learn new things, and entertain ourselves. And guess what? It's not just for the big names or the tech giants, it's for you too. Now I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, is YouTube really a viable option in Ghana? Can I really make a mark here? The answer is a resounding yes. YouTube is a global platform and it thrives on diversity and unique voices. Trust me, it is. People crave authentic content, stories that resonate, and who better to tell those stories than you? Your experiences, your culture, your perspective, these are things that no one else can replicate. They are your unique selling points. Think about your passions, your skills, your unique perspective. What do you love doing? What are you good at? What stories do you have to tell? These are the foundations of your YouTube channel. Start by brainstorming ideas, jotting down topics, and planning your content. Maybe you're a tech whiz reviewing the latest phones, gadgets, and software. People are always looking for honest reviews and tutorials. Your insights could help someone make an informed decision. Maybe you're a foodie sharing delicious recipes, cooking tips, and food reviews. Food is a universal language, and your culinary skills could inspire someone to try a new dish or improve their cooking. Or maybe you're just hilarious and you're ready to make the world laugh. Comedy is a powerful tool for connection, and your humor could brighten someone's day. Whatever your thing is, own it. Be confident in your niche. Your authenticity and passion will shine through, and that's what will attract viewers. Don't try to be someone else, be the best version of yourself. Build a community, engage with your viewers, and watch those subscribers roll in. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that your audience wants to see. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they will become. Monetization? We're talking ads, sponsorships, even selling your own merch. The possibilities are endless. As your channel grows, so will your opportunities to earn money. Brands will want to collaborate with you, and your audience will support you through merchandise and other revenue streams, so start now, share your story, and build your brand. Now let's talk about that freelance life. Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and starting your workday without the commute. That's the reality for many freelancers today. Upwork, Fiverr, these platforms are changing the game, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, all you need is an internet connection. And the best part? Ghana has a wealth of talent. From tech-savvy developers to creative designers, the opportunities are endless. The global market is now accessible to everyone. Are you a graphic designer with an eye for detail? Your skills are in high demand. Companies around the world are looking for talented individuals to bring their visions to life. A writer who can craft compelling copy? Your words can shape brands and tell stories that resonate. The power of the pen is stronger than ever in the digital age. A developer who can build stunning websites? Your coding skills can create digital experiences that captivate users. The demand for web development is skyrocketing. The world is your oyster. With the right skills and determination, you can work with clients from all corners of the globe. The possibilities are limitless. Create a killer profile, showcase your skills, and start pitching those clients. Your online presence is your storefront, so make it shine. Highlight your best work and let your personality come through. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control. You decide when and where you work. Need a break? Take one. Want to work late into the night? Go for it. The flexibility is unmatched. You set your rates, you choose your projects, and you build a career on your own terms. It's about creating a work-life balance that suits you. So, dive in, explore the platforms, and start your freelancing journey today. Alright, education enthusiasts, this one's for you. Online tutoring is booming, and platforms like Preply and Tutor.com are connecting educators with students all over the world. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a language expert? Share your knowledge, empower minds, and earn some serious income. The beauty of online tutoring is the flexibility. You set your schedule, you choose your students, and you create a learning environment that works for you. Now let's talk about passive income, because who doesn't love making money while they sleep? Affiliate marketing is all about partnering with brands, promoting their products or services, and earning a commission on every sale you drive. The key here is to find brands that align with your niche, your values, and your audience. Once you've found your partners, it's all about creating compelling content that drives conversions. Think reviews, tutorials, comparisons, anything that provides value to your audience and encourages them to click that affiliate link. Next up, we're diving into the world of blogging. Now I know what you're thinking. Is blogging still relevant in 2025? Absolutely. People crave information, they crave connection, and a well-written blog can provide both. The key is to find your niche, your unique voice, and to create content that resonates with your audience. Once you've built a loyal following, you can monetize through ads, sponsored content, even selling your own products or services. Alright entrepreneurs, let's talk dropshipping. This business model is all about selling products without holding any inventory. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping, while you focus on building your brand and driving sales. The beauty of dropshipping is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory, you just need a great product, a compelling website, and a solid marketing strategy. In today's digital age, every business needs an online presence, and that's where you come in. Digital marketing is all about helping businesses reach their target audience online through a variety of channels, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. If you have a knack for marketing and a passion for helping businesses succeed, digital marketing could be your calling. Now let's talk about the future of finance cryptocurrency. Now I know crypto can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start small, do your research, and invest only what you can afford to lose. With the right knowledge and a little bit of caution, cryptocurrency can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Last but not least, we're talking app development. The mobile app market is booming, and there's never been a better time to create the next big thing. Think about the problems you face in your daily life, the inefficiencies you encounter, the opportunities you see. Could you create an app that makes life easier, more efficient, or more enjoyable? If so, app development could be your path to success. And there you have it, the top 10 internet money-making avenues in Ghana for 2025. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool, and with the right mindset, the right skills, and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start exploring, and unlock your online potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips on making money online. See you in the next video.